Welcome to today's video, guys. Today we're gonna be installing a 3-inch lift kick on the rear of my Ford Raptor. It's a ready lift. I'll show you guys. So it's a ready lift suspension, and it's item number 662053. So we're gonna be installing it on my Raptor over there. But first we gotta remove this car so that we can work on the truck. So let's get the keys and get this thing out. All right. Start up. This thing's very quiet. Let's start up. Right to the side here. Let's get it. All right, let's get in this beast and put that rear diff lift. And the exhaust sounds pretty good. I'll start on cold. Not bad. Quiet, but not bad. Windshield cracked the other day in winter time, a couple months ago. All right, now that we parked it in here, let's get out of here. Tight fit, but we can get out without hitting anything because we are a little thin. We can get out. There's S15, my boy's truck. I gotta put some more work into that. But yeah, let's get this done and then probably run into that today or tomorrow. First thing, find the proper height attachment for your vehicle. Find the lifting point, which is right there, the arrow. And then you line it up and then you put it up in the air on all 4 sides. Let's get it. All right, and she's up. She's up and we're about to take these this stuff apart, even though we already coated it, whatever. We're gonna take all this stuff off and put the other stuff on. So let's get it. Let's get it to open this thing. All right, so let's open this box. This side, my information's not on there. And we can actually see what's in the box. That was glued on there. Now we have these longer U-bolts. And then we have these things right here. They're like little blocks, 3-inch blocks. Then it comes with new nuts and some instructions from Ready Lift. And some cool stickers, some warnings, and pretty much wheel alignment, headlight adjusting, all that after. So then it tells us the instructions. We're gonna go one by one, start separating all this stuff, and get ready to install. the lift. Let's get it. All right, first step, don't drink beer. Not drink the whole case. This is just for my dad and stuff, so I'll be drinking and working on cars and stuff, guys. Do it at your own risk, you know what I mean? If you want to. So, you got tension on it right now. You don't want too much tension. A little bit of tension, just like that. So when we take these bolts off, you know, they don't drop like too much. Same size, guys. So it's 21. And you do the same thing to the other side. Let's get it. All right, so she's all done. I was able to line up everything back on there. Now let's lower it on the floor, pick that jack away, lower it on the front, and let's get it. The instructions actually told me to remove the shocks right here, the bolts, and I didn't do that. I just dropped it with this. The way you put these in, because I know if you just try to put them up, they won't go in the holes. So what I did, I flipped it up like it's on an angle like this, so it'll be on top. One of the holes be on top and one at the bottom. And then I started from the back to drill them in so we can bring it up, and then the front. And then that's how you get the level on there. So the back ones have to be a little longer than the front ones have to be a little longer than the back ones. So that's how you know that they're done right. So let's get it. Let's see how tall this thing looks. All right, now we're gonna just bring her down and see any difference. Get out of underneath the car right now. Stay right here. Stay right here. No, don't call her right now. Stay right there. You have to, when the vehicle's coming down, you don't get near it. You understand? Gotta tell them, guys, because these kids, they don't care. They don't know, right? You don't know? But I told you, so you do know. So start being smarter, okay? All right, so that's what we gotta teach our kids to be smarter, common sense. Yeah, that was that lift part. So yeah. Actually, she does look taller, bro.
Yeah, I look taller.
That joint look fresh. Looks even now.
I look fresh.
Woo. It's still a little higher in the front, but I like it. All right, now this is all level. Let's hop in here like a ninja. That's how she looks now. See a little difference. It's a little more level than before. Before it was like sitting like this, going up. So looks pretty even now. So sure it looks good. Like it. Comment below, see what you guys think, and what's your favorite car.